so last week we got on the scales at 169.2 pounds. Same as always, if I get on there and I'm any less, I will be a happy man. Let's see. 168.4 pounds. So that is a loss of 0.8 pounds. I mean, could be better, but hey, I gotta take my own advice. We'll take it. All right, let's move on. Well, hello everybody. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Thomas, and from the video you just saw, we had another week of weight loss. 0.8 pounds over last week, so we are now at 168.4 pounds. Life is good and we are moving in the right direction. So today is Saturday, as you guys know, Saturday, February 7th. That means tomorrow, for those of you in the US, you will know tomorrow is Super Bowl Sunday, the greatest sporting event in the world. I love it. I think it's great. It's a time for your friends, for your neighbors, for your family to come over, or for you to go over to their house to have some really, really good, unhealthy food, and to just sit there and bet on a game. Right? Tomorrow we have the New England Patriots facing off against the Seattle Seahawks. I am a Tampa Bay Buccaneers fan. I was originally a Tom Brady fan. That was before I knew who Tom Brady was. So I'll probably be rooting for the Patriots, but I don't really have any skin in the game this Super Bowl. So if one of your teams is in the Super Bowl, I wish you all the best. I hope that you don't give yourself too much indigestion or a heart attack while having some really delicious food and making some great memories. So I guess with that being said, let's dive on in. With the Super Bowl in mind, with that being tomorrow, I said to my wife, I said, how about we make tomorrow our cheat meal? Saturday is typically my cheat meal, but I said, how about let's do tomorrow, let's make Sunday, February 8th, our cheat meal. And she's fine with that, so that's what we're gonna be doing. She's gonna be making a lot of good food, a lot of unhealthy food, but very tasty food. And so we're gonna be just having a spread, taking it very easy, chilling out, having a great time. So how that's gonna affect my next weigh-in, I don't know. Honestly, I have no idea. I don't know if I'll be able to burn off the excess over the course of the week. We'll see, but I'm not stressed about it whatsoever. Another thing also worth pointing out here is March, it is my birthday, and I turn 30, and then I have to update this part of the board here. I'll no longer be in my 20s, I will be in my 30s. And people keep telling me, all right, the older you get, the harder it is to lose. The more time goes by, it's just going to be more and more difficult to shed those lbs. Now, they might be right, they might be wrong, I don't know, but I guess what I find out, I will let you know, as hopefully you can trust me to do at this point. So, 0.8 pounds over last week. Again, we talk about this a lot. I feel like it's really important to understand that talk is cheap. You really do need to not let the numbers get you down. You really can't go into this with a number in your head, or if you do go in there with a number in your head, you need to understand that it probably will not, unless you're doing something that you probably shouldn't. You can't really guess how your weighing is going to be. You really shouldn't be able to tell. It should just be work as hard as you can, get on the scales, and hopefully you'll lose some weight. Hopefully you'll come out lighter than you did the week before. And for me, luckily, that's how it has been. Now, we've had a pretty straight shot from the beginning of the year, from 184 down to 168. So we're ripping and roaring here. We're 15.8 pounds down in the first week of February. Very happy with that. We are pretty much right on halfway, a pound to go, and I'd be 50% of the way there. So hopefully, again, just kind of breaking my own advice I just gave there, but hopefully by next week we should be 50% of the way there. I'm very, very pleased with the progress so far. Again, going off of the chart, just if we are following the trend, if nothing changes, we should be seeing something right around the end of March. Now, of course, that's not going to happen. That's going to be a slow peter out, and it's probably going to look something like that. Again, if we're doing things safely, the less weight we have to lose, the less weight we will lose. Again, doing things safely, watching our calories, upping our exercise, things like that. Now, resistance training, that has been something that has been brought up quite a bit in these past few videos, right? Thomas, what are you doing? Now, dumbbells, that has been my key so far, but I am going to be branching out a little bit. I'm going to be going to the gym more often. I'm going to be just slowly taking my time a little bit here and there while I'm working on my home gym. I'm going to be going to Planet Fitness. My wife's got a membership, so one of the perks is that I get to tag along. Something that up until lately I haven't felt like I've needed to do because my goal has been weight loss as opposed to building muscle and resistance training, but that is going to be changing here in the next few weeks and months. And when I do, I'll let you guys know what my workouts look like. If I can, I'll sneak some footage of me in the gym so that you guys can see and give me some pointers, hopefully. I'm looking at you, Chris. You're the strong man here in the group, on the channel. Thank you for all of your feedback. There's been a lot of great feedback coming through the channel lately, and it's really made me appreciate the group that we have here, the really tight-knit community that is the Getting My Life Back channel, right? I started the channel, but you guys keep it going, and that's why I make these videos. So over these next couple of weeks, we're just going to keep on trucking. We're going to try our hand at some resistance training. We're going to see if that can maybe speed up some of the weight loss. We'll see if maybe changing things up in the workouts and going out and trying new things can have a good effect. I personally believe it'll have a jolt to the system. It'll be like a shock. It'll be something great. So again, it'll have a positive impact on me. Am I an expert though? No, I just kind of report what happens, and you guys can take from that what you will. But Chris, you always watch the videos, you always do some great feedback, so please let me know. What do you think? Going to hit it hard, we're gonna try and actually make something happen here with the resistance training. What do you think, sir? Do you think we're gonna see some significant some changes on the scales? Are we gonna see some significant changes with my body composition, with my physique? I'm very interested to hear what all of you guys have to say about that. So I guess now it's time for a quick physique check, and then we'll kind of wrap up the video. All right, 168.4 pounds. This is what it looks like. This is the goods right here. So this is of course my side profile. This is my back. Me from the side. And then as you can see here, we're starting to see that loose skin again. Breaking out here, got a bite or something. Anyway, loose skin's coming back. It's like an old friend that you haven't seen in a minute. With me being so poofy, now it's like a balloon that's starting to lose air. So things are starting to sag a little bit. It's definitely not a bad problem. It's a problem I'm very, very glad that I have. So yeah, this is what 168.4 pounds looks like on me, Thomas, just a regular guy trying to lose weight and live a healthier life. With that being said, everybody, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Have a great week ahead, and good luck tomorrow for those of you watching and rooting for a team. All right, take care. Bye-bye.